Hi there, welcome to Life Goes On. It's a beautiful night in Calgary downtown tonight, and we are going to Calgary downtown to watch that magical beauty. And we would love to share that beauty with the whole world. It's one of the February last week night, and very strangely, it's not that cold tonight. Driving southbound on 3rd Street, Southwest, love those beautiful lights on 3rd Street. Still not much people on the street because number one, Corona, and number two is winter. Hopefully, by the summer, lots of people will come out on the street like before. We will have the normal life back. I hope so. There is a Cactus Club right there. I love Cactus Club Cafe. Stephen Avenue. Another name of this avenue is 8th Avenue Southwest. And this avenue has a very long history, very rich history. This avenue established early 1970s, and summertime this is like a happening place. Lot of people in here, and a lot of beautiful restaurants in this avenue, and a lot of tourists come in summertime. Most part of the Stephen Avenue is mostly car free. It's a pedestrian friendly avenue of Calgary downtown. But tonight I saw a few cars here and there. I guess they are probably some business owners around Stephen Avenue. But normally it's like totally car free avenue. I love the way the city does the festive lighting on Stephen Avenue. What a beautiful building! Calgary Tower got red color tonight, red color lights. Beautiful view from Center Street Bridge. Entering to the Calgary downtown East Village. This part of the city newly got developed, like redevelopment. Those high-rise buildings you see, they are very new, and they are like right beside Bo River. You have a beautiful view from those buildings. What a beautiful night!